Is it a good time to refinance? Yes, rates are coming down, but does that mean that you should just jump right in and refinance? Maybe, maybe not. But what I do want to share with you are some questions that you need to be asking yourself that should really, really help you so that when rates come down to a point where it makes sense, you will know. And here's how you'll do that. Number one question that you need to ask yourself before refinancing, more important than what are the interest rates, is how much longer do you plan on staying in your home? Why is that important? Because when you refinance, there's typically closing costs involved. Sometimes, sometimes not, but most of the time there are. And you need to know how long you plan on staying in the home so that way you can factor in your break-even point. Really important that you know that. Number two, what type of loan are you currently in? Is it an FHA loan? Is it a government loan, USDA? Is it a VA loan? Or is it a conventional loan? Why is that important? Because depending on what type of loan you're currently in, you could potentially do what's called a streamline if you're in a government loan where you're not going to need to verify your income again. And you're not going to need an appraisal, which is pretty cool. Or maybe you're in an FHA loan and you want to go from FHA to conventional so that you can get out of mortgage insurance if you have enough equity. Very important. Here's another question. Make sure you save this video for later and you can refer back to it. Another question. If you purchased your home and you have not refinanced since you purchased your home, did you use down payment assistance to buy your home? Why is that important? Well, because it may or may not be forgivable. You might have what's called a silent second lien on your house that's going to need to be paid. Or if you've been paying on it for a couple years, if it's forgivable after a certain time, you need to know that. Third thing. Have you taken out an equity loan since you purchased your home? That needs to be factored in as well. And then the fourth question is, what rate are you currently paying now? I hope that this helps. Follow me for more. Leave any comments below. Happy to help you any way that I can. And thank you so much to everyone who's been tuning into the lives. I see you and I appreciate you. See ya.